Everything happens for a reason. That's what they say. Every storm has its season. I just haven't found my day. I miss you like a bird misses the sea, like the sun misses the moon all the time. I miss you like I wish you missed me, but you know what? I'll be fine. If this pain means that I once loved you, it's better than nothing at all. There's nothing that I wish more than you here to catch me when I fall. Everything happens for a reason. It's why you've gone away. No matter what I do, there's no more me and you. I miss you like a bird misses the sea, like the sun misses the moon all the time. I miss you like I wish you missed me, but you know what? I'll be fine.
Hi, I'm Nick.
Hi, I'm Carly.
Hi, I'm Danielle.
And I'm Fig.
We are only 4 of over 300 active young Americans. Thank you so much for watching our video. We really hope that you enjoyed it. We have way more cool things to come, so please subscribe. We would love to have you check us out.
See ya.
Bye.